In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom labels using Google Merchant Center. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to categorize your products more effectively and tailor your advertising strategies to better target your audience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Google Merchant account. This is where all your product data resides and where you'll be making the necessary changes to create those custom labels. Once logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to manage your product inventory. Next, navigate over to the Merchant Center and go to the Products section. Within this area, select All Products. This section is essentially your dashboard for everything related to the items you're selling, allowing you to view and manage your current product listings comprehensively. Once you're in the All Products section, you'll need to click on Add Products. From there, you'll want to choose Add New Products one by one. This option allows you to manually add individual products, ensuring that you can customize each product with precision, especially in labeling and categorization. Now that you're in the product entry page, scroll down until you find the label section. This part of the form is vital for organizing your products. Through labeling, you can group products into specific categories, which can be particularly useful for running tailored ad campaigns or managing inventory more efficiently. In the label section, you'll see options for custom label 0 all the way to custom label 4. These custom labels serve as your fields for additional categorization. They provide a flexible method to differentiate products based on your specific needs, whether that's by season, profit margin, sale items, or another metric relevant to your marketing strategy. Next, you'll need to set a rule. For example, let's say you want to group all your jackets as winter wear. You would do this by setting a rule such as if product type equals jackets, then assign custom label 0 with the value winter wear. This step allows you to automate the categorization of products, streamlining the way you organize your stock. Once you've set your rules and are satisfied with how the products are labeled, make sure to save your changes. Saving applies your new settings across your product inventory, ensuring that your custom labels are active and ready to use in your advertising and product management efforts. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create custom labels using Google Merchant Center. By following these simple steps, you can better organize your products and enhance your ability to target specific audiences with greater accuracy. This seemingly small adjustment can greatly impact how you strategize your sales and marketing plans. Thanks for watching, and make sure to leave any questions or comments down below.